Hello, students. Today, we are going to explore an interesting topic: the potential therapeutic effects of swimming with dolphins on individuals suffering from mild to moderate depression. We'll be examining a study that investigates this relationship by comparing the outcomes of two groups, one that interacted with dolphins during their swimming activities and another that did not. Throughout this lesson, we will discuss the study design, data collection methods, and the statistical techniques used to analyze the data. We'll also consider the study's limitations and the importance of replicating research to draw more robust conclusions. As we delve into the topic, we will touch upon various statistical concepts such as random sampling, hypothesis testing, and p-values. We'll also explore the importance of experimental design, random assignment, and controlling for confounding factors in research studies. We'll also consider the study's limitations and the importance of replicating research to draw more robust conclusions. As we delve into the topic, we will touch upon various statistical concepts such as random sampling, hypothesis testing, and p-values. We'll also explore the importance of experimental design, random assignment, and controlling for confounding factors in research studies. Hey, everyone! Today, we learned about an interesting study on whether swimming with dolphins can help people who are feeling depressed. I want to share the basic idea of the study with you all, so you can understand what the researchers did and what they found out. The researchers took 30 people who were feeling down and divided them into two groups. One group got to swim with dolphins, while the other group didn't. Both groups did this for 2 weeks, and then the researchers checked on how everyone was feeling. What they found was pretty interesting. In the group that swam with dolphins, more people felt better compared to the group that didn't swim with dolphins. This makes us think that maybe swimming with dolphins could help people who are feeling depressed. Of course, this is just one study, and it had a small number of people in it. But it's still a cool idea to think about, and it might be worth looking into more. So that's the basic idea of what we learned today: swimming with dolphins might help people feel better when they're feeling down. Today, we learned about a study that investigated the potential benefits of dolphin therapy for people with mild to moderate depression. I'd like to share some details about the study and what the researchers discovered. In this study, there were 30 participants who were randomly assigned to one of two groups. One group participated in dolphin therapy, where they swam and interacted with dolphins, while the other group, called the control group, swam without dolphins. Both groups did these activities for 2 weeks. The group did. This suggests that dolphin therapy might be more effective in improving depression symptoms compared to just swimming without dolphins. However, it's important to note that this study had a limited number of participants, and further research is needed to better understand the potential benefits of dolphin therapy. The researchers then looked at how many people in each group experienced a significant improvement in their depression symptoms. They found that 10 out of 15 people in the dolphin therapy group showed substantial improvement, while only 3 out of 15 people in the control group did. Hey everyone! In today's lesson, we analyzed a study that investigated the effectiveness of dolphin therapy for people with mild to moderate depression. I'd like to share with you my understanding of the study, its results, and its implications. Research question: is swimming with dolphins therapeutic for patients suffering from depression? Null hypothesis: both groups are equally ineffective at improving depression. We simulated the study with 30 depressed people, randomly assigned into a control group and a swim with dolphins group, and repeated this process 1,000 times. We observed that only 13 out of 1,000 simulations, 1.3%, had a result that was equal to or greater than the original study. When comparing the difference in proportions of improved or not improved when swimming with dolphins, the p-value is 0.5. Based on the p-value, which is greater than 0.1, there is little to no evidence that we can reject the null hypothesis. This means that swimming with dolphins is not more therapeutic than not swimming with dolphins when the random sample of the groupings is done 1,000 times. In this case, we cannot conclude that dolphin therapy is an effective treatment for depression, and further research may be needed to explore alternative treatments or interventions. Hello class! Today, we've explored an interesting study that aimed to investigate the effectiveness of dolphin therapy for individuals experiencing mild to moderate depression. We learned about the research design, which involved 30 participants who were randomly assigned to either a control group or a swim with dolphins group. Our primary research question focused on whether swimming with dolphins has therapeutic effects on depression. To analyze the study, we conducted a simulation with 1,000 trials, comparing the difference in proportions of improvement between the two groups. We calculated a p-value of 0.5, which is greater than the conventional threshold of 0.1. This means that we have little to no evidence to reject the null hypothesis, which states that both groups are equally ineffective at improving depression. To analyze the study, we conducted a simulation with 1,000 trials, comparing the difference in proportions of improvement between the two groups. We calculated a p-value of 0.5, which is greater than the conventional threshold of 0.1. This means that we have little to no evidence to reject the null hypothesis, which states that both groups are equally ineffective at improving depression. Throughout this lesson, I hope you've gained a deeper understanding of the importance of statistical analysis, as well as its application to real-world scenarios. Remember to critically evaluate research findings and consider the broader context of the study when interpreting results. Keep up the great work, and let's continue to learn and grow together.